Hi there, good morning. My name is Emmanuel Jimmy, and this morning I'm here to discuss with you the benefit of incorporating ICT in education system. Alright. Talking about that, we may want to analyze the challenges that we face whenever we incorporate this system in our education, especially in sub-Saharan part Africa, looking at the socio-economic factors, infrastructure challenges, and so on and so forth. We may also address solutions to these challenges and look at some low-cost ICT tools that we can implement to help curb these challenges. Follow me as I elaborate on these points. All right. So to begin with, let's look at the benefit of ICT in education, especially in our continent. All right. ICT enhances students' learning and then it engages them by providing an interactive and then an immersive experience, such as enabling them to access a vast resource like the YouTube or Google Scholars, whereby they can further research into topics to upgrade their knowledge. Again, it also creates a digital platform whereby classroom can be held virtually, like the Google Meet and the Zoom lanes can be created, so that students can join the classroom from their remote centers to promote class attendance and also promote class contribution, thereby assess and promote education taking place in our setting. Lastly, I would say that the key benefit of using ICT tools in the classroom includes something like increasing engagement and then personalized learning, whereby students can have access to their personalized quota by accessing other tools, which will all together engage in benefit of ICT. All right, thank you. Now let's look at some challenges that are faced by implementing ICT tools in sub-Saharan Africa. There are lots of challenges that are being faced with this implementation. However, I'll talk about some few ones. The main ones being lack of infrastructure. Infrastructure talking about lack of electricity and internet supply. I mean constant supply of these two is a very big challenge in this sub-Saharan Africa, as that the basic or fundamental needs for this ICT to be what implemented. We are running a system whereby the electricity is being not supplied effectively, and the data is expensive. Thereby, even when they get access to the tools, the usage becomes a bit challenging. Again, I want to talk about the maintenance of these ICT tools. Not talk about the high cost of it. You can talk about a system or a machine like the interactive board costing over 60,000 cities. If you look at this, how many schools can afford this kind of machine, which also supports ICT tools? So therefore, these tools are very expensive, and then the expensive nature of it becomes a challenge for we to use it in our continent. Least to talk about is the maintenance of it. Being able to acquire it also requires a lot of money and then high skilled trained personnel to maintain these facilities and these machines, and then we lack them in our systems, and this is a challenge that we face mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. All right, so now looking at low cost IT tools that we can implement in our system, we may look like things like the mobile phones. Every mobile device is a device that can be used to support the ICT tools in classroom, whereby we can install some softwares, free softwares like the Google Classroom, the Zoom links, and so on and so forth, so that we can have our classes on it. These are some of the low cost ICT tools that we can use. Again, we can also look at open source softwares that can provide affordable and accessible solutions for educational settings. For example, initiatives like e-learning platforms, okay, and digital resources have improved access to quality education in our system. All right. So, looking at strategies for integrating ICT tools in education. Successful strategies integrating ICT tools in education include providing adequate training for teachers or maybe the instructors to know how to use the ICT tools in the first place, and ensuring access to resources and incorporating ICT into curriculum in a meaningful way. All right. Now, teachers play a crucial role in successful integration of ICT tools by facilitating their use in the classroom and guiding students on how to also have access to them and use them equally by submitting their assignments and then managing their assessment, be it formative or submissive. Right. In conclusion, ICT has been the potential to transform education, and with the right strategies and investment being done, we can overcome the challenges and ensure equitable access to quality education for all. Thank you very much.